So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and then you can see here right hand side, you can see this is a search button to click, and then type your model number which is required. Okay, Gigabyte B840M Eagle Wi-Fi 6, then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click of the title of the motherboard. Then click to support. You can see this is your motherboard. Click on support. Select your operating system which is required, Windows 10, 11. Select any you are using. Installation process same, which is I am showing you. Okay, you watch this video and follow that. Bluetooth driver. You can see this is Bluetooth driver. Click to download. Then open. Just double click exe. Then click to yes. Then double click to launch, then install, then close it.